Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of a and b where 4 to the power a minus 36 to the power b is equal to 28 and a and b are positive integers. Okay, or 4 can be written as 2 square whole to the power a minus 36 can be written as 6 square whole to the power b is equal to 28. Or now here we know that a exponential rule a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power mn is equal to a to the power n whole to the power m. So this can be written as 2 to the power a whole square minus, similarly this can be written as 6 to the power b whole square is equal to 28. Or this is as like as a formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So according this formula we can write 2 to the power a plus 6 to the power b times 2 to the power a minus 6 to the power b is equal to 28. Or 2 to the power a plus 6 to the power b times 2 to the power a minus 6 to the power b, and factorizing 28 we can write 1 times 28, 2 times 14 and 4 times 7. Okay, now 2 to the power a plus 6 to the power b is always greater than 2 to the power a minus 6 to the power b, and 2 to the power a is an even number and 6 to the power b is also even number. So the addition and subtracting two even always even number. So 2 to the power a plus 6 to the power b is an even number, and 2 to the power a minus 6 to the power b is an even number. So this cannot be equal to 1 times 28 because 1 is not a even number. Similarly, it cannot be equal to 4 times 7 because 7 is not a even number. So only possible product is 2 times 14. Okay, so we can write here 2 to the power a plus 6 to the power b is equal to 14 because this is greater than, and 2 to the power a minus 6 to the power b is equal to 2. It is called equation 1 and it is called equation 2. Now adding these two equations we will get this 6 to the power b cancel out 6 to the power b, we will get 2 times 2 to the power a is equal to 14 times 2 is 16. Or divided both sides by 2 we can write here 2 times 2 to the power a over 2 is equal to 16 over 2. Now these two cancel out this 2 and here we will get 16 over 2 is 8. So we can write here 2 to the power a is equal to 8, or 2 to the power a is equal to 2 to the power 3. So finally we will get the value of a is equal to 3. Now recall equation 1 we can write 2 to the power a plus 6 to the power b is equal to 14, or here a is equal to 3, so we can write here 2 to the power 3 plus 6 to the power b is equal to 14, or 2 to the power 3, that means 8 plus 6 to the power b is equal to 14, or now we can write 6 to the power b is equal to 14 minus 8, or 6 to the power b is equal to 6, or 6 to the power b is equal to 6 can be written as 6 to the power 1. So finally we will get the value of b is equal to 1. Okay, now check. Our questions is given 4 to the power a minus 36 to the power b is equal to 28. Here a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1, so we can write here 4 to the power 3 minus 36 to the power 1 is it equal to 28, or 4 to the power 3, that means 4 times 4 times 4 is equal to 4 times 4 is 16, 16 times 4 is equal to 4 times 6 is 24, 2 will be carry, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 plus 2 is 6, so we will get 64, minus 36 to the power 1, that means 36 is it equal to 28. So 64 minus 36 is 28 is equal to 28, so left hand side is equal to right hand side. So finally the value of a is equal to 3 and b is equal to 1. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.